Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So currently I'm trading GBPUSD, and I want to just give you my analysis behind the trade entry. Okay, so top down analysis, I started from the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, please you have to ignore this particular trend line. This trend line is a 4-hour trend line, so it's going to look odd on the daily time frame. So this is the trend line I drew for the daily time frame, this particular one here. All right, so what do we see happening to that trend line? It was broken. And you can see we had this move to the downside, then we had a pullback. This is the pullback. Now we have another red candle coming in. So this is telling me that price wants to move downwards. Okay, trend line break, pullback, and we have a big ugly red candle. Tells me price wants to move down. So I go to my 4-hour time frame. So you're going to see this other trend line now. This one, you see it on the 4-hour time frame. For H, I went to H4. Okay, so this is that H4. What is it called? That H4 trend line. This one here is the H4 trend line. So on the 4-hour time frame, we see that price is also showing us bearish movements. So you can see price is moving downwards, giving us red candles. And then what did price do? It broke that trend line, this trend line right here. Price broke the trend line with a red candle, still pointing to at the same thing. Downward movement is what we are expecting. We are bearish. Okay, so I have a bearish sentiment. Moved on to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, where I take my entries. I can take my entry on 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So on the 5 minutes time frame, I noticed another trend, like a short-term trend. Okay, so this is the 4-hour. Let me see if I can zoom that a bit. Okay, so this what's it called? This trend line here is the 4-hour trend line. You understand? So I noticed a short-term trend line forming. Then I drew it. Okay, so I drew this trend line. This is the 5 minutes trend line. Okay, so this one under is the 5 minute trend line. I waited for that one also to get broken. It got broken, pulled back again, then I entered. Okay, so I entered on the pullback. You can see where I entered my sell trades, this pullback right here, and I had the confidence to enter because confidence is lined up. You can see it's below the 50 EMA. Okay, this is my take profits position, and price is already moving towards my take profits. So let me show you. This is where the trend started. Okay, for the short-term trend right here. So I'm expecting price to get there as it's coming down. So I put my take profit right there. So my take profit position is right there. You can see it here, TP. This is my take profits. Okay, where is the stop loss? This is my stop loss right here. So this is my stop loss level. This is a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. And right now I'm actually in profits. I just have to wait and watch it move to my take profits position. So on the H4, you're going to see this 5 minutes time frame here. You see it on the H4. It's going to look funny. Okay, on the H4. So let me go to show you. This is the H4. This is the 5 minutes time frame. This small line, 5 minutes trend line. This small line you see here. You can see how odd it looks. This one that is here, that small blue line, that's the 5 minutes trend line that I drew. Okay, while this is the bigger 4-hour trend line. But the 4-hour trend line will look odd on the daily charts also, so that's just how it goes. So all I need to do now is just wait for my profits to get smashed.